What's up, guys? Toss here. So I want to break down a company that I'm very interested in. I'm so close to buying this stock. I haven't done so yet, and I'm going to tell you right now what the stock is. The company, it's Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, and I want to break down the numbers this company's been producing in this video. I want to break down some future numbers, what the future looks like, and I also want to go over, of course, my opinion, what I'm looking to do. So hit the like button, subscribe, make sure to go down below, get into the StrivSmart Discord chat, the Facebook group, get $30 free from M1 Finance. All you have to do is use my link, deposit any amount of money, and we each get $30 free. All of those are free and linked down below. And you could also check out my Patreon, also linked right down below. So what we have right here again is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. I'm going to be calling it GNOG. I like that nickname. GNOG is what we're going with this one. And they're focused on becoming a leader in the US online gaming space. And we have a lot of players in this space, some bigger than others, some stock prices more overvalued than others, and I think GNOG is one of the more undervalued ones, which is why we're talking about it today. And again, they're focusing on becoming a leader in the US online gaming, which is a fast-growing part of the larger US gaming industry. The iGaming market includes both quote-unquote pure casino players who play online casino games, such as slots or table games, as well as sports betting players who also want to play casino games. Since the beginning of online gaming or iGaming in New Jersey in 2013, the market has grown significantly from approximately $221 million in total iGaming revenues in New Jersey in 2017 to approximately $462 million in revenue in 2019. And from my research when it comes to the management team, look, this management team is solid. They have years on years on years of experience when it comes to building and managing online casino businesses. I mean, they've been in business in New Jersey since 2013, which has been almost a decade at this point, as is 2021 right now. So that makes me excited. They've been around, they've been doing well in New Jersey, and we're going to talk about in a couple minutes, they actually got into Michigan, and maybe they'll get into PA, Pennsylvania by the end of 2021. We'll see if that happens. And when it comes to their recent earnings report for the 12 months ended December 31st, 2020, GNOG reported the following unaudited estimates. Total revenue of between $90 and $91 million compared to $55.4 million in 2019. That's an increase of around 63%. Gross gaming revenue of between $101 to $102 million compared to the $60.9 million during the same period in 2019. That is also an increase of about 67%. And we have operating income of between 23 and 24 million, between 28 and 29 million before approximately $4 to $5 million in costs related to the business compared to 17.6 million in 2019. That's an increase in operating income year over year of about 38%. So these are some pretty strong growth numbers. And like I said a minute ago, they just got into Michigan. That went into place on I think on the 22nd of January, so about 2 months prior to me filming this video, and we'll talk about that right now in a second. But first, let's take a look at what the CEO said, quote unquote, "We are very pleased with yet again another year of rapid and profitable growth. 2020 was a transformational year for GNOG, which went public. If you guys remember, they merged with LCA, reached 100 million in GGR, and signed market access agreements in multiple states. We look forward to replicating our New Jersey success. And by the way, guys, I'm from New Jersey. That doesn't even matter. I'm just putting it out there. And I've seen this business before, right? And they're looking to replicate the New Jersey success in many other states and taking advantage of the growth in online gaming. That is what the CEO, the chairman and CEO of GNOG said. And when it comes to Michigan, on January 22nd, GNOG stated its online operations in Michigan in partnership with Ojibwa Casino. After a soft launch in January, GNOG has been quickly ramping up its online casino marketing investment, seeing tremendous momentum in player acquisition and revenue. So they're taking this New Jersey model. They're now in Michigan. They're doing well in Michigan. Hopefully that lasts. My opinion, it will last. And like I said, PA is another future target for this company. And look, guys, this company, it's not as nationwide as DraftKings, and the valuation shows that. I mean, right now, the market cap, it's sitting at $1.1 billion. So this is a little bit over a $1 billion market cap. And DraftKings is sitting at, let's take a look at this one, guys, $28 billion market cap. So DraftKings is 28 times bigger than Golden Nugget Online Gaming, and they're, again, more widespread throughout the United States. So I think one day GNOG is going to get there, and I'm not the only one that thinks that. GNOG currently has approximately 12% market share of the New Jersey iGaming market, and like I said, they're looking to replicate this in other states. The forecasted market size of the 3 states the company will have operations in by the end of 2021, New Jersey, PA, and Michigan, is $2.5 billion. If the company can achieve the 12% market share it is forecasting, it will bring in revenues of $300 million at its current market cap of what I said, 1.1, 1.2 billion. This implies a price to sales ratio of about 4.1, roughly 4, which honestly, that is pretty cheap when it comes to a growth stock, and a high growth stock at that. And by adding additional states, the company is targeting revenues of $635 million roughly by 2025. So this company just did $90 to $91 million in 2020. And $600 million is what they're projecting in 5 years. Yeah, that is rapid growth, high growth. And like I said, the price of sales is 4 right now. That is pretty cheap considering something like DraftKings. I bet you their price to sales is a lot higher than that. And granted, yeah, they're in more states, they're more widespread, but still, you have to consider these when you're looking at, okay, should I buy a more widespread company, a company that has, yeah, a bigger valuation, maybe it's a little bit more overvalued, but maybe it's a bit safer. Should I buy a DraftKings, or should I go with the underdog, GNOG, which has been beaten down, and you guys can see it's down about $3 recently from the $19 high. But if we pull back a bit to the past 6 months, you guys can see back in December it was $28. So it's down well over 40%, or let's say 30%. It's down about 42% from the high. It's well in a bear market, and it's not really getting much love right now. And they actually report earnings today, which I'm super excited about, and we'll see what they report, and I'll probably make another video on this maybe tomorrow. And that's pretty much it. This company, it's expanding. It's in New Jersey. It's doing well. Now it's in Michigan, ramping up the marketing spend there. PA is coming. And as more states overall in the United States legalize gambling, online gambling, all that good stuff, which it's getting there, it's going to get there in the next couple of years for sure, that just opens up more and more doors for Golden Nugget. And it's, well, Golden Nugget Online Gaming in this case. 2 separate businesses, guys. You must understand that. Golden Nugget and Golden Nugget Online Gaming, they're 2 separate businesses, right? And there's risks. There's risks involved, no doubt. I mean, we have a lot of competitors from Penn to, DraftKings, FanDuel, I guess you can say, is a competitor. There's so many. There's so many competitors, but you guys have to realize on the flip side, again, it's a big market and competition is healthy. You don't want to be in a market that has no competition, because that means there's no demand. So, I mean, yeah, GNOG, I like it. And again, full disclosure, I don't have a position quite yet. I'm actually waiting until after earnings. I want to see if we get a little flash crash maybe, or we get just more clarity on the numbers, guidance, and so forth, and then I'll probably make a decision. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know. As always, if you all enjoyed this video, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, go down below, get $30 free from M1 Finance, and you could also get 2 stocks from WeBull. Those are valued up to $1,600. All you have to do is open up an account for both of those, deposit some money in, and you get free money literally into that account. And you could also check out my Patreon down below for buy and sell alerts, call outs, morning update videos, more access to me throughout the day. All of those are linked right down below. So I'll catch you all in the next video. Let me know again your thoughts on GNOG down below. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the markets, guys. Peace out.